Morning, everyone. I'm going to show you a leaderboard that I recently just added to my game. Oops. So supposedly Silent Wolf Leaderboards is like a dead project now, but I'm going off based off of one Reddit post. I recently made a leaderboard using Talo, I believe that's how you say it. Talo Leaderboards. So if I click here, you can see the ranking of different users going from highest score all the way down to lowest score. Obviously my design is off a little bit, as you can see the numbers way off on the right here, but I'll edit that later. Yeah, and I put it in the leaderboard in a scroll container, so you can just scroll through it. I'm thinking like after maybe so many people that eventually you got to use different pages to load all the users, because I don't want to load all the users at once. I think that'd be overkill for the loading of the leaderboard. If we go back in the game, as you can see, there's 16 players total right now. So if I play a new game and I just hit my guy right here, it should be 17 players now when we go back to the leaderboard. So I exit. It takes a little bit because it's loaded in the database. Leaderboard. Now I've got 17 people. And I just gave random strings for the username for now. The way I did this is basically Talo provides docs, and I literally copied and pasted all their what they recommended. I edited the code a little bit, but for the entries for each entry, I basically, let me see. Oh, my thing's way up here. Where's it at? Is it this page? Oh no, it's this page. This is the page I used. It's on trytalo.com. This whole blog right here literally tells you how to build your leaderboard from scratch. Instead of having a little test thing where I can enter a username and add entry, I didn't do that. I wanted to have it directly affected from the game with this distance and all that. So yeah, it tells you how to set up your leaderboard on the dashboard. And then I use this script right here, this code, to grab the placing of the individual, their username, and their score, so it can be placed in the leaderboard. This is kind of how my setup was on my Godot script. As you can see right here, I should just make my own separate scene, but I added it right here. You got your leaderboard, within it margin containers, different containers. Your entries go down over there. Cool. And then I literally used all this code. I don't think I changed much on this one, except obviously what scene I was grabbing from. I used all this code to load each entry into the leaderboard. And if we go to my actual dashboard of Talo, if I'm saying that right, obviously I called it Top Dog with 2 G's. I thought that was a cool name. So I can view entries here, and all those entries from the game that I just showed you on the app, they pop up right here in the database. And as you can see, that newly added player 17 was added as well. I can go and click each user, like this guy, Longhorns. I clicked into him. He registered on this, last seen on this. I could view his profile, and I can start adding more stuff like player stats, obviously the entry to the leaderboard. I can add way more stuff in the future, which I'm gonna do, but not right now. I can remove them, I think. Let's see. I can view profile. Yeah, and I delete player down here. So Talo has been a really good leaderboard, plugin for me. Suppose you can use up to 10,000 players before you have to start paying, which is fine for me. If I get 10,000 players, that'd be cool. But yeah, I added a leaderboard using Talo. It's trytalo.com, trytalo.com. Very simple to add, the leaderboard. Again, just hit leaderboard, pops up, and I can scroll on it with my scroll container. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching.